The Smith Machine JM press primarily trains the medial head of the tricep. To set up, lie down on the bench and line the barbell up so that it stacks over your shoulder joint. To determine your ideal grip width, simply lower your hand to your shoulder. If your grip width forces your elbow to flare out, that's perfectly okay. Simply place the bar on your palm at an angle that allows for your elbow to flare out. Once you've found your ideal grip width, push your shoulders back and down toward your hips and push your elbows high. For the action, on the concentric, extend your elbow with force. On the eccentric, lower the bar with control whilst pushing your elbows high. The goal is to get your forearm to touch your bicep. For proper alignment, ensure you're pushing your elbows high throughout the exercise, preventing your elbow from coming too far behind your body, as this will shift the tension onto the chest and shoulders rather than the triceps. Ensure the bar is stacked over your shoulder joint. And lastly, maintain tightness in your back and shoulders by pushing your shoulders back and down towards your hips.